Yes, people. Matthew GS here. Hope everyone's doing well. I wanted to share this video with you today because this is a really cool hack for your trainers. You can also use this for your loafers, any other footwear that you can think of. You can potentially use this little hack that's very, very cheap to do. And I'm going to dive straight into this. So let me flip the camera around. So what we have here is some very old Nike running trainers, and these running trainers, when I first got them, they're really, really good. I used to run in them all the time, but after around a couple of months, I would say the back of the trainer where the heel is, there was just a lot of rubbing going on basically. And can you see that these are totally knackered now? It's caused holes, it's just caused a lot of discomfort, pretty much ruined the trainers really, just at the back. I mean, everywhere else in the trainer is absolutely fine. It's just where the heel is constantly rubbing up and down. And apart from that, the trainer is actually is good. It's actually all right. So I had to ditch these in the end and buy another pair of Nike running trainers, which we have right here. And these Nike trainers are not cheap. Like, these are £180 plus. Some of the running trainers go for like £200. And these are really, really comfortable, pretty stylish, looking all good. And to be honest with you, I thought that the rubbing of the back of the heel on the trainer I wouldn't get that for like a year or 2 years. And I don't even really run anymore these days. I just go to the gym, just use these for the gym, just lifting weights. But not even running, I started to notice that I'm starting to get the holes already in the Nike trainers. Can you see there? There's a tiny hole there and a tiny hole there. And eventually these are going to be the same as my other Nike running trainers. So I thought to myself, what can I get? What can I purchase to stop this happening? And I've done a little bit of research online, and there's something called a heel trainer protector. I will need to link the actual proper name for this because it's not easy to find when I was trying to search for it, just trying to think of different names. But anyway, it actually come up, and it's this thing here. Really, really cheap. I think I paid about £2.50 for 2 of these. And literally you just peel this off and then you stick it on the back of the trainer, and then that should, I reckon, stop the trainers from rubbing and preventing those holes from appearing. So I've just put one on this trainer here, and I'll just show you quickly. So can you see this is now protected, and I shouldn't get those holes appearing on my trainers. And it's going to be, I think it's going to be good. I think this is going to work, you know. So I'm just going to quickly show you how I put this on. It's going to be a little bit awkward because I am by myself, and yeah, it's going to be a bit of a challenge. But all we have to do is peel this like this, and then this is sticky, and then you literally, so I'll just show you this. You literally just line it up. That goes pretty much in like this. I'm gonna have to probably put the camera down, I'm afraid, but you just line it up, push it all the way down, push it back like this, and there we go, all done. I mean, I'm probably gonna do this properly once I've stopped this video, but I just wanted to show you this is a pretty cool hack to make your trainers last a lot longer and stops the rubbing and then turning them to crap, and then you going out and spending a load of more money on some more trainers if you buy designer ones like Nike. But you can also use this for anything else. So yeah, try that out. Let me know how you get on. See if you like this fix. Nice hack. Have a good one.